Hello, this is Shreer Papan. Here I'll be completing task 4 for Lab 0 of class EEE 120. So I have all the other tasks completed, and I'm supposed to go over the circuit in digital and also GTK wave and also kind of show like the functionality and explain it. So here we have our XOR circuit. So XOR ultimately is basically we're trying to make it so the output is only on or one whenever the both of the inputs are different. So whenever only one of them is on, the output is gonna be on. So here we have our circuit. We can see the AND gates will take one of the input inverted and the other original input itself. And we're gonna have two of these AND gates for both of the inputs to invert A and then also invert B. And then the output of the AND gates is gonna go into an OR gate. So this results in, you can see if I turn one of the inputs on, the output is gonna be on. If I turn both of the inputs on, the output is gonna be off. And if we have both of the inputs off, the output is gonna be off. And then if we turn on A again, only one input is on, so we have the output on. So that's basically it in digital, and this actually matches the truth table, so this is functionally equivalent to a single XOR gate. We can also look at it in GTK waveform. I don't have it open, but I do have the image. We can actually go to the image. That's okay. Let's see. Here, files and then the waves. Do have the image here as well. So I opened that from the Verilog exported from digital, or that I got a screenshot from GTK Wave opening that Verilog file. Yeah, basically these, instead of like showing like input output, is gonna show different signals for each of the variables, um, with like different combinations of the inputs over time. And here you can see I have added all A, B, and Y. A and B are my inputs, and Y is the output. And you can see the signals here; they show up. Yeah, so I would assume the higher signal would be 1, and the lower signal would be 0. So you can see that shown here. Y is the last one, so the last one would be the output. Yeah, so basically I guess that's the explanation for that. And yeah, thank you for watching.